be showing somebody love for me and for you, for everybody, just to be true. I believe in you. Pagbasa niyo ang lyrics, I got it in the book of John 3:16. For God so loved the world. Then, the Holy Spirit gave me some songs. Baka na siya, na-compose na ako. So, to God be the glory once again. And the reason why the people will divine, and they don't feel the love without one to one. No love is only the reason why Katie's life could set us free. And no one knows why this happened, because it's shown that His love for me and for you, for everybody, just to be true. I believe in you. Salamat sa Ginoo sa tanan. To God be the glory. So, ako yung iyang tanan sa paparod din as we lay our hands, as we raise our hands, right hand towards sa offering mga offering box.